Ang boring naman. Ito yung gagawin natin.
Manood kayo tayo ng palabas.
Sige! Hindi ka naligo ng isang linggo.
Hindi kasi ako nahiyang sa conditioner na ginagamit ko.
Gamit ko, Raymond, for smooth and non-frizzy hair.
Ah, talaga ba?
Oo.
Using Raymond conditioner can help moisturize and straighten your hair. That's why, bili ka na!
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?